In this video, I'm gonna show how to download Adobe Premiere Pro for free on PC and Mac. First, open the link in the description below, which will take you to Adobe's page. Choose your country and then click on Start Free Trial. You will see three options: individual, business, and students and teachers. Choose the individual plan for a single device or opt for the business plans for multiple devices. I'll choose the individual option, which offers a 14-day free trial plus a 30-day free trial of Adobe stock. Click Continue, then enter your email address and click Continue again. Fill out the required information, including your card details. But don't worry, Adobe won't charge you until the free trial ends. Next, click on Agree and Subscribe, and you will see a screen prompting you to create a password. After that, open the second link in the description below to download the Creative Cloud app. Install it, log in with the same email address, and go to the app section to install Premiere Pro. And that was all. Subscribe, it's free.